Cybersecurity, the practice of protecting digital information, networks, and systems from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. There are five types of cybersecurity. First is a malware, software designed to harm or exploit systems. Second, phishing, attempt to trick user into revealing sensitive information. Third, ransomware, malware that demands payment in exchange for restoring access data. Fourth, DDoS or distributed denial of service, overwhelming a system with traffic to make it unavailable. Fifth, SQL injection, injecting malicious code into the database. Section 1, Password and Security. First, use strong unique password for all accounts. Second, avoid using easily quizable information. Third, use the password manager to generate and store complex password. Fourth, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Fifth, change password regularly. Section 2, Network Security. First, keep software and operating system up to date with latest security patches. Second, use a reputable antivirus program and enable firewall. Third, use a virtual private network or VPN when connected to the public Wi-Fi. Fourth, when clicking on links or download attachments from unknown sources. Fifth, use secure protocols when accessing sensitive information online. Section 3, Data Protection. First, regularly back up important data to an external drive or cloud storage. Second, use encryption to protect sensitive data. Third, be careful when sharing sensitive information online or via email. Fourth, use secure method to dispose of sensitive documents. Fifth, monitor accounts and transactions for suspicious activity. Section 4, Phishing and Social Engineering. First, be cautious of suspicious email or message asking for sensitive information. Second, verify sender's identity before responding or clicking on links. Third, avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi for sensitive activity. Fourth, be aware of phone scam. Fifth, report suspicious activity to the relevant authorities. Section 5, Incident Response. First, have a plan in place for responding to cybersecurity incidents. Second, know who to contact in case of security breach. Third, keep records of security incident and responses. Fourth, regularly review and update cybersecurity policies and procedures. Fifth, stay informed about latest cybersecurity threats and best practices.